First, we'll apply a coat of metallic gold on the surface of the canvas. And before the paint is dry, while still wet, we apply metallic gold and silver in thick paste. Using our hands, we spread the colors on the surface of the canvas, using mostly the end of our fingers, the tips of the fingers. This way, we create grooves, and on the backs of these grooves, the colors that we will apply later, they are going to reflect differently and look different throughout the day. Here I apply some red, orange, green, yellow, and blue. I keep looking the painting all around. And if you like to have the paint bleed onto the sides, just go over the ends and pick up the excess paint, as you see, and spread it on the sides. Now see that the red is overpowering on the right side, so I'm going to put some on the left side to balance. I constantly walk around the painting and work through all the four sides, so the forms and colors are balanced from any viewing angle. This way, whoever buys that painting, they can use their own creativity and hang the painting any way they like, sideways or vertically. The painting will look good in any viewing position. I'm putting some more silver because with all the colors that I put, this silver was muted, and I want to see some definite silver lines in the composition. We're done with the finger painting, and now I'm going to use a palette knife and put some definition lines, using again the same colors that were spread using our hands. But this time they're going to be solid, not mixed with each other. Where these lines are going, you use your own instinct as an artist and look at your composition. The painting will talk to you and show you where these lines needs to go. Do not hesitate, go with it and place them in that. You have to act fast because this painting will be done in 5-10 minutes. There is no time to think this and that. Just do it. The faster you do it, the better the painting will look. Now use the palette knife to flatten some of the definition lines and make them look a little wider. Painting is almost done. Don't forget to subscribe. and see you on the next one. This painting is also for sale. You can find it on my website at christeas.com.